usamudla lo muntu la.
Mbona tjata simboni.
Ukudla ngempela.
Ha. Uyam-enjoy.
Udila phi? Nakho ukudla.
Hayibo uyazi utjata simboni umudla ngempela. Userious umbukeni mafethu.
Hey yo guys, I'm back with another video. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video and also comment if you have anything to say, guys. Lang in patele kona uDan Ken responding to this 200 bars ke lapana ke Big Zulu. So Dan Ken has wasted no time extending a respond again to Big Zulu's viral 200 bars diss track, dropping his own hard-hitting reply titles After Tears. So I mean titled after Tears laphana ke iyona ke itrack ayikhiphile yenza wani ke angeke ngisho ukuthi ke yenza wani ke ngelinye igama ngoba manje ngenqena ke indaba yokuhlambalaza ngenhlamba yabo, but then ke yenza wani in terms of ke ama punchlines awapushayo wapushela yena laphana ke uBig Zulu. So this seems like a beef because kube naleya voice note nyana ayidlalayo yabo ngaseqaleni, and then ke ekhuza ke uDan Ken, Big Zulu ekhuza uDan Ken ukuthi ke ukuthathela lapho ukuthi ke kanjani yonke lento akade isho lapha ngaseqaleni. Uyayizwa ke i200 bars response yakhe uDan Ken uma ekhuluma naye uBig Zulu. So the beef between the two heavyweight rappers has ignited a frenzy within the South African hip hop scene. So as fans eagerly tuned into to see who will reign as supreme in this lyrical battle yabo. This seems like a battle. I don't think there is a beef between the two, but then again maybe say developile kwazi I-battle le say develop up to I-stage sokuthi ke mhlambe sekune beef in between them yabo, because vele kugcine kukanjalo kuqala kumdlalo kodwa kugcine sekunento esibiza ngebeef ngempela. So uBig Zulu ne200 bars yakhe dropped like a bombshell, so sparking conversations across all social media platforms njengoba sesabona izolo ukuthi nayizolo betrend lapha ku-X yabo. So kuningi ke actually nama artists futhi awa includeile ke kuyona ke i200 bars yakhe now amanye awo akhona acommentile kodwa ke none other than uDan Ken abasaphendulile yabo. So uDan Ken uphendule lapha yana izolo nje by 4 After Tears bese kuthiwa izokwenze njani izophuma yabo. No Tira uze wenza ke ipost lapha ku Facebook ekhuluma ukuthi ke phakathi kwa Big Zulu no Dan Ken lento abayenzayo yena akangena. I think kodwa ke bekuyinto indlela ke apromote ngayo After Tears ebizo dropper lapha ngo4 idrophile ke After Tears, and no one not one to backtrack lapha ke noma to back down the challenge. uDan Ken akafuni nje ukuthathwa kancane yabo. So uthe yena ke akenze ke iresponse masinyana ke kungaze kube late, ngoba mase ku late ke kuzobe sekuthi ke vele uzibukeka njengesahluleki. So ya dropper ke After Tears this track doesn't hold back anything, iloke nje ishilo leyo mpahla lokho esithelile isibhaxo. So uDan Ken, we know him, he is lyrically sharp and he is always loaded with ama punchlines lapha. So uDan Ken ke addressed Big Zulu ke ngezinto ke eziningi enza ke ama jabs lapha nalapha ke yabo, showcasing ukuthi ke he is master wama lyrics yabo, while kwelinye side emphasize ukuthi yena umkhulu kangakanani egaming. So abantu ke abangaveli nje bamthathe kancane ngaleyo ndlela. So mina ngokwami njengoba ngila eSouth Africa yabo, abanye ngale bebe praise ke kakhulukazi ke uKendrick Lamar. We know him, uKendrick Lamar was involved kwi battle be computer lapha ke naye uDrake. So ngokwesimo sala eSouth Africa, I can take uDan Ken kwi level yabo ngokwala eSouth Africa ukwi level kaKendrick Lamar le pheshe yabo, ngokwama lyrics nendlela nje ashaya ngayo indaba noma aphonsa ngayo amagama akhe ke ewabhekisa kumuntu asuke ebheklisha naye. So with the bars that cut deep and references to their shared history in the industry, uDan Ken or Dan Ken's After Tears serves as both a rebuttal and a declaration of his standing yabo. He reminds Big Zulu and the rest of the industry that he is not to be taken lightly when it comes to ama-rap battles. The response has sparked further debate among ama-fans, with many praising uDuncan for stepping up to the plate and delivering a worthy reply. So when ucabanga ukuthi ke uDuncan ngempela ke ureplye ngendlela kuyiyona yona, angabe mhlambe kukhona ocabanga ukuthi ukushile, noma mhlambe ke ukhona la okulekha khona ngokwe response yakhe, yabo, umgcoba ngokwanele yini uDuncan? Do you think uDuncan uyiwinile le battle, or else mhlambe kukhona lokho okushoda? If ever kukhona ocabanga ukuthi kuyashoda, do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Nokuthi ke fethu ke ama punchlines mhlambe ucabanga ukuthi iwona ke ahlabe umxhwele, you can comment lana ke usitshele ukuthi ke leyo punchline why do you think iyona ke iyona ethe ayihambe phambili ngokucabanga kwakho noma ke ichaze. Do comment on the section. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Danko.